What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change the price on your Shopify product, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So let's begin. So what you need to do first, of course, is log into your Shopify admin account. Then of course go to the product section, which is over here. Then after that, when you're working on Shopify store account, in the product section, you select it, and in this step you should choose the product that you want to change the price by clicking on the product name over here. Of course, step 4 is open the pricing section, and when you're on the product detail page, scroll down to see the pricing section. Step 5 is before start to set the price up. You must understand the price here is the actual price of the products. There is to compare price, which is optional but really recommend to set for your store, as it provides you the list of updates on your online store that shows the items on sale. Normally the value of compared price is higher than the value in the price that shows a sale price. The last step, which is saving, you need to just press on save after you enter the value. So basically that's the entirety of the process. So if you want to change price in bulk, export your product to the Excel, and you can do this by making them to export. Update a new pricing file, so to have the product ID. Of course, open your exported file in editing in Excel. From there, you can edit and remove all columns that you think you do not need. From now, you need to set the change of the prices, and remember that you are able to utilize any other formula and change price manually. Don't forget to save your work as well. So after that, it's time for you to import Excel back to the Shopify with the Excelify app. Right after that, you will be able to check all the update as well. So overall, that's the entirety of the process, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.